Top 10 Fascinating Facts About Tigers. Explore the hidden realm of tigers, beings of power and mystery. From natural swimmers to unique genetic marvels, each aspect of their existence unveils surprises. Hunters at night, guardians of ecological balance, and tigers teach us the true essence of nature. Dive into the world of these majestic felines and uncover their most astonishing secrets in our exciting video. Number 10. Tigers that love water. Unlike most felines, tigers display a fascinating affinity for water. This behavior starkly contrasts with that of other family members, many of whom avoid water whenever possible. Tigers, however, are not only excellent swimmers but also actively enjoy time in the water. This preference is not merely anecdotal. It has profound implications for their behavior, hunting strategies, and even habitat selection. Tigers' swimming ability is remarkable, allowing them to cover long distances searching for food, new territories, or mates. This aquatic capability extends to the point of tigers swimming between islands, especially in regions like the Sundarbans archipelago, where water is a constant landscape element. Tigers use water not only to cool off on hot days, but also as a hunting tactic, surprising their prey that wouldn't expect a predator in the water. Water also plays a crucial role in the social and territorial behavior of tigers. Marking territories that include bodies of water ensures not only a hydration source, but also bathing and hunting areas. Tigers prefer territories that offer everything they need for survival, including access to prey, shelter, and water. This preference for habitats that include abundant water sources underscores the taiga's adaptability and their ability to integrate various ecosystem aspects into their survival strategy. The taiga's attraction to water also has implications for their conservation. Habitat protection efforts must consider the importance of preserving not only terrestrial areas but also the water bodies essential for their well-being. Environmental degradation, including water pollution and aquatic ecosystem alterations, can directly impact the health and viability of tiger populations. Therefore, understanding and preserving the unique relationship tigers have with water is crucial for ensuring their future in the natural world. Number 9. Color variations. Tigers are globally recognized for their distinctive orange fur adorned with black stripes, a trait that has made them one of the most emblematic animals of the animal kingdom. However, many are unaware of the fascinating variations in these majestic felines' fur coloration, resulting from genetic mutations that offer an equally impressive visual spectacle. Among these variants, white tigers and the extremely rare golden and even black tigers stand out, offering a window into these creatures' genetic complexity and evolution. White tigers, far from being albino, result from a recessive genetic mutation affecting their fur pigmentation. This genetic variant, known as leucism, results in cream to white fur with black, blue, or gray stripes. White tigers typically have blue eyes, adding to their unique and supernatural appearance. Although white tigers have been subjects of fascination and reverence, they have also faced challenges, particularly in the wild, where their coloration makes them more visible to predators and hampers their hunting ability. In contrast, golden tigers have a light golden, almost caramel-toned fur with brown or black stripes. This variant, even rarer than the white tiger, is also the result of a specific genetic mutation. Golden tigers are practically non-existent in the wild and are found mainly in captivity, where they are selectively bred for their unique coloration. Though there are reports of tigers with almost completely black fur, these are extremely rare and, often, products of myths or misidentifications. What is perceived as black might be due to lighting conditions, perspective, or even genetic variants producing an extremely dark but not entirely black fur. These variations in taiga's fur coloration are not merely aesthetic curiosities. They offer a window into understanding the biology and genetics of tigers. Studying these mutations allows scientists to better understand how tigers adapt to their environment, how genetic mutations function in large mammals, and what implications these variations might have for species conservation. However, they also pose ethical and practical challenges, especially regarding captive breeding to preserve or promote certain aesthetic traits, which may not be beneficial for the overall genetic health of the tiger population. Number 8. Unique stripes. The stripes of tigers are one of the most distinctive and fascinating traits of these majestic felines. Each tiger has a unique stripe pattern, as individual as human fingerprints. This feature not only contributes to these animals' aesthetic beauty but also plays crucial roles in their survival and behavior. Stripes act as perfect camouflage, allowing tigers to blend with the vegetation and shaded environment of their natural habitat, which is essential for ambushing their prey. The uniqueness of each tiger's stripes has significant practical applications, especially in conservation and the study of these animals in the wild. Researchers and conservationists use stripe patterns to identify individuals in population studies, movement tracking, and conservation efforts, similar to how fingerprints are used in human identification. This identification method is crucial for understanding the dynamics of tiger populations, their territories, hunting patterns, and monitoring the health and well-being of individuals over time. A tiger's stripe pattern also has implications in the social and reproductive realms. It is theorized that stripes may play a role in attraction between tigers during the mating season, serving as visual signals that indicate genetic health or physical vigor. Additionally, tiger cubs recognize their mother by her unique stripe pattern, which is essential for tracking and reunion in the dense habitat they inhabit. From an evolutionary perspective, the variability in stripe patterns among different tiger subspecies reflects adaptations to their respective environments. For example, Siberian tigers have more spaced and less defined stripes, helping them camouflage in the snow and sparse vegetation of their cold habitat, while jungle tigers, like the Bengal tiger, have darker and closer stripes, optimized for hiding in dense vegetation. The complexity and uniqueness of tiger's stripes not only underscore the wonderful diversity of nature, but also the need to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats. As we face challenges like habitat loss and poaching, remembering and respecting each tiger's individuality can serve as a powerful reminder of our role in conserving biodiversity on our planet. Number 7. Solitary hunters. Tigers are masters of solitary hunting, employing refined techniques evolved over thousands of years that allow them to be apex predators in their respective ecosystems. Unlike other big cats that may hunt in groups, like lions, tigers prefer solitude when stalking and capturing their prey. This preference for solitary hunting underscores these felines' unique skills and adaptation to different habitats, from dense jungles to the cold Siberian forests. A tiger's hunting strategy is characterized by patience, stealth, and precision. They use their striped fur as camouflage, blending with tall vegetation or forest shadows, allowing them to stealthily approach their prey undetected. Tigers are particularly active during the nocturnal hours or at dusk, taking advantage of the darkness to improve their advantage over prey. Once a tiger chooses its target, it launches a surprise attack, using its powerful force and speed to knock down and kill its prey with a precise bite to the neck or throat. This hunting methodology not only demonstrates tigers' physical prowess but also their intellectual capacity. Tigers can assess the situation, select the best prey and the optimal moment to attack, and even adapt their hunting techniques to different prey types. A tiger's diet can include a wide variety of animals, from deer and boars to young elephants or rhinoceroses, in exceptional cases. The solitary hunting behavior of tigers also reflects their territorial nature. These big cats require vast territories to ensure enough prey to survive, and solitary hunting allows them to maximize the efficiency of their feeding efforts within these domains. They mark their territory with olfactory, visual, and acoustic signals to communicate their presence to other tigers, avoiding unnecessary conflicts and ensuring enough prey for each individual. The need for large territories and an abundant source of prey for each solitary tiger highlights the importance of conserving extensive and connected habitats. Habitat fragmentation and the reduction of prey populations due to human activity are significant threats to tigers, compromising their ability to hunt effectively and maintain their energy needs. Protecting the ecosystems where tigers hunt and live is essential not only for the survival of these magnificent animals, but also for the health of the ecosystems they support. Number 6. Vast territories. Tigers are known for requiring extensive territories to live, hunt, and reproduce, a need that reflects their nature as solitary predators at the top of the food chain. A single tiger can claim an area of up to 100 square kilometers, although this size can vary significantly depending on various factors, such as prey availability, the presence of other tigers, and the specific characteristics of the habitat. These vast territories are fundamental to their survival, ensuring access to sufficient food resources and mating opportunities, while minimizing conflict with other tigers. Delimiting and defending their territory are key behaviors in a tiger's life. They use a combination of methods to mark their domain, including scratching trees, spraying urine, and scent marking, which act as clear signals to other tigers that an area is occupied. These marks serve to warn competitors and facilitate locating tigers for reproductive purposes. Communication through scent markings allows tigers to avoid unnecessary encounters and conflicts, which is vital for animals that could be severely injured in confrontations. The need for extensive territories underscores the impact of habitat loss and landscape fragmentation, the main threats to tigers today. The conversion of forests into agricultural lands, urban expansion, and infrastructure development significantly reduce the area available to tigers, limiting their access to prey and increasing the likelihood of conflicts with humans and other tigers. This reduction in living space not only decreases tiger populations due to the reduction of the habitat's carrying capacity but also increases the risk of inbreeding, which can weaken the genetic health of the remaining populations. Conservation of tigers, therefore, goes beyond protecting individuals. It involves preserving and restoring entire landscapes that can support their territorial needs. Ecological corridors, connecting habitat fragments, are critical for allowing tigers to move between areas, thus facilitating access to more territories and mating opportunities and contributing to greater genetic diversity. These conservation strategies require an integrated approach involving local communities, governments, and international organizations in protecting natural habitats and promoting peaceful coexistence between tigers and humans. Protecting the vast territories that tigers need to thrive is a formidable but essential challenge to ensure the long-term survival of these magnificent animals in the natural world. Preserving large landscapes not only benefits tigers but also a multitude of other species that share their habitat, making maintaining biodiversity and ecosystem services vital for our planet's health. Number 5. Varied communication. The communication capability of tigers is remarkably complex and sophisticated, encompassing a wide range of sounds and signals that facilitate interaction among these majestic felines. Contrary to common belief, tigers do not communicate solely through roars. Their repertoire includes hisses, growls, meows, and even whistles, each with specific meanings and uses in different contexts. This diversity in vocal communication reflects the rich social life of tigers, contradicting the perception that they are merely solitary. Tigers' roars are perhaps the most impressive aspect of their communication. These powerful calls can be heard over 3 kilometers away, serving as a declaration of presence, a warning to intruders, or a means to gather family members, especially between the mother and her cubs. Roars also play a crucial role in the mating period, allowing tigers to locate potential mates over great distances. In addition to roars, tigers use hisses and growls in threat or confrontation situations, as a form of warning before escalating to physical aggression. Meows, on the other hand, are typically employed in more tranquil and affectionate contexts, especially between the mother and her cubs. These softer sounds facilitate the bond between the mother and her offspring, which is essential for the learning and development of the young tigers. Nonverbal communication is also significant in a tiger's life. Body language, such as the positioning of the ears, tail, and body, complements their vocal communication, providing additional signals about intentions or emotional states. Additionally, as mentioned earlier, visual and olfactory territorial markings are fundamental to communication among tigers, delineating territories and avoiding unnecessary conflicts. The varied communication of tigers is a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. Understanding how these animals communicate is vital for their conservation, as it provides key information about their behavior, needs, and how they interact with their environment. Conservation efforts can greatly benefit from this knowledge, facilitating the creation of more effective management and protection strategies that consider the social and territorial needs of tigers. The conservation of tigers and their habitats is not only crucial for the survival of this iconic species, but also for maintaining the healthy and diverse ecosystems they require to thrive. Number 4. Lifespan. Tigers in the wild exhibit a lifespan that, although it may seem short compared to humans, is in line with the harsh realities of life in nature. Typically, these majestic felines live between 10 and 15 years in their natural habitat, a span during which they must navigate the challenges of hunting, territorial competition, and avoiding humans and other threats. However, in captivity, under human care that includes regular feeding and veterinary attention, tigers can reach and even exceed 20 years of age. This difference highlights not only the impact of stress and dangers inherent to wildlife, but also the importance of a controlled and safe environment for the health and longevity of these animals. The extended lifespan of tigers in captivity opens a debate about conservation practices and animal welfare. While care in zoos and sanctuaries can offer tigers a longer life free from the pressures of their natural environment, it also raises issues about the quality of life and the authenticity of their existence away from their natural habitat. Conservation efforts seek to balance these factors, aiming not only to protect tigers from immediate threats, but also to preserve their natural behavior and overall well-being. The variability in tigers' lifespan also underscores the importance of conservation interventions in their natural habitat. Protecting the ecosystems that support tigers and their prey is fundamental to ensuring their long-term survival. Additionally, combating poaching and habitat fragmentation, along with initiatives for ecological corridors that allow mobility and genetic exchange, are crucial for maintaining healthy and resilient tiger populations in the wild. Understanding the lifespan of tigers in different contexts is vital for developing effective conservation strategies. These efforts benefit not only tigers but also the biodiversity of the ecosystem as a whole, as tigers act as umbrella species whose protection ensures the conservation of many other species within their habitat. The longevity of tigers, both in the wild and in captivity, serves as a reminder of our role in protecting these magnificent creatures and the complex ecosystems they inhabit. Number 3. Declining diversity. The diversity of tiger subspecies is a fascinating window into the adaptability and genetic variability of these magnificent felines across Asia. Currently, 6 living subspecies are recognized: the Bengal tiger, the Indo-Chinese tiger, the Malayan tiger, the Siberian, also known as Amur, tiger, the South China tiger, and the Sumatran tiger. Each of these subspecies has developed unique characteristics that allow them to survive in environments ranging from the cold steppes of Russia to the humid tropical jungles of Southeast Asia. However, this impressive diversity faces an unprecedented threat due to poaching, habitat loss, and conflict with human activities, leading to an alarming decline in their populations. Poaching, driven by the demand for tiger body parts for traditional medicine, decoration, and other illegal uses, represents one of the greatest threats to tigers. This practice not only directly reduces populations but also affects the genetic structure of the remaining populations, increasing their vulnerability to diseases and reducing the genetic diversity necessary to adapt to environmental changes or emerging diseases. Habitat loss is another critical case of taiga's decline, as agricultural expansion, urbanization, and deforestation for activities like logging and mining fragment and reduce the natural spaces they need to hunt, reproduce, and ultimately survive. This phenomenon diminishes the available prey numbers and increases encounters between tigers and humans, often resulting in lethal conflicts for both parties. The three tiger subspecies already extinct in modern times, the Caspian tiger, the Javan tiger, and the Bali tiger, serve as a grim reminder of what could happen if significant measures are not taken to protect those that remain. Effective conservation of tigers requires a multifaceted approach that includes habitat protection, strengthening laws against poaching and wildlife trafficking, and fostering peaceful coexistence between tigers and human communities. Protecting tigers and their genetic diversity is not only crucial for the survival of these subspecies, but also for the health of the ecosystems they inhabit. Tigers are apex predators that play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance, controlling herbivore populations, and preserving plant and animal diversity. The fight for tiger conservation is, therefore, a fight for biodiversity conservation and ecological health worldwide. Number 2. Jumping ability. The jumping ability of tigers is one of the many impressive physical adaptations these predators possess, allowing them to excel as apex hunters in their respective ecosystems. These big cats can perform leaps of up to 10 meters in length and reach heights of up to 5 meters in a single bound. This ability is not only a testament to their power and agility, but also crucial for their hunting strategy and mobility in the densely populated and often intricate habitat they inhabit. The tiger's anatomy is perfectly designed to facilitate this type of explosive movement. Their powerful hind legs act as natural springs, storing and releasing energy efficiently. Massive muscles and flexible joints provide the strength necessary to launch forward or upward, overcoming obstacles or ambushing prey from a distance or height little prey would expect. This jumping ability has a direct application in a tiger's hunting technique. When stalking prey, a tiger can use a powerful leap to quickly close the distance with its target, surprising it before it has a chance to react. This ambush method is particularly useful in dense environments where stealth and the ability to suddenly overcome vegetation or natural obstacles are essential for hunting success. Besides its implications for hunting, the ability of tigers to perform long and high jumps is a valuable adaptation for navigating their environment. They can cross rivers, gorges, or even circumvent human-made barriers with relative ease. This mobility is vital for maintaining their territories, searching for mates, and avoiding dangers or competitors. The extraordinary jumping ability of tigers also highlights the importance of preserving enough open spaces and rich, varied natural environments for their survival. As human expansion continues to encroach on natural habitats, the ability of tigers to move freely and exercise their natural behaviors becomes increasingly limited. Conserving their habitat is not only crucial for the survival of tigers, but also for preserving the ecological integrity of the ecosystems in which they play such a critical role. Protecting and restoring tiger habitats ensures that these impressive animals continue to amaze us with their agility and power, essential elements of their survival and global biodiversity. Number 1. The tiger is an ecological indicator. Tigers occupy a unique place in nature, not only as one of the planet's most formidable apex predators but also as a key ecological indicator. Their presence in an ecosystem signals a healthy and well-balanced environment, meaning that conserving tigers benefits a wide variety of species. This is because tigers require large territories that include enough prey and suitable vegetation coverage to survive. Therefore, protecting tigers involves protecting vast areas of natural habitat, which in turn supports biodiversity and ecosystem health. The interconnection between tigers and the vitality of their habitat is an excellent example of how interdependent ecosystems function. Tigers help maintain the balance of prey populations, preventing overpopulation and vegetation depletion. This control of herbivore populations protects plant diversity, benefiting the entire food chain, from insects to birds and other large mammals. Additionally, the rich and diverse habitats that support tigers also store carbon, contributing to climate change mitigation and maintaining water cycles, which are essential for life on Earth. The role of tigers as ecological indicators underscores the importance of integrated conservation strategies that address not only the direct protection of these big cats but also the preservation of their ecosystems. This includes initiatives such as establishing wildlife corridors that connect protected areas, reforestation and habitat restoration, and promoting sustainable agricultural and development practices that minimize impact on natural habitats. The focus on tiger conservation to protect entire ecosystems demonstrates the umbrella species concept. By concentrating on conserving an emblematic species, conservation benefits can be achieved for many other species that share its habitat. This holistic approach is crucial not only for the survival of tigers but also for global biodiversity conservation and our planet's health. Conserving tigers is much more than protecting a single iconic animal. It is a barometer for ecosystem health and a call to action to preserve our world's rich biodiversity. The continued existence of tigers in the wild is a testament to the resilience of intact ecosystems and a reminder of our shared responsibility to protect these vital environments for future generations.